In the dynamic landscape of facility operations and maintenance, the integration of technology has become a game changer. Embracing this shift from reactive to proactive approaches empowers facility managers to stay ahead in the fast-paced evolution of industry trends. Imagine real-time monitoring systems that predict equipment failures before they occur, eliminating costly downtime. Picture smart sensors optimizing energy consumption, reducing environmental impact, and lowering operational costs. This isn't just a vision of the future, it's the reality of modern facility management. In this digital era, leveraging data analytics and predictive maintenance tools is a key trend. Facility managers equipped with these skills not only resolve issues swiftly, but also preemptively address potential challenges, ensuring seamless operations. The ability to harness the Internet of Things, IoT, enables facilities to communicate, self-diagnose, and adapt, creating an interconnected and efficient ecosystem. Moreover, the rising importance of sustainable practices adds another layer to the tech-driven transformation. Facilities that integrate eco-friendly technologies not only contribute to a greener planet, but also benefit from cost savings through energy-efficient solutions. Facility managers trained in these sustainable technologies become catalysts for positive change within their organizations. As we delve deeper into the digital age, artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning emerge as integral components of facility management. Smart algorithms analyze historical data, optimizing processes and predicting patterns for future enhancements. Facility managers adept in these technologies become architects of efficiency, utilizing AI-driven insights to enhance overall operational performance. In essence, the shift from reactive to proactive facility management is not just about embracing technology. It's about mastering the tools that define the future. Learning how to navigate these trends isn't just an option. It's a necessity for aspiring facility managers who wish to lead in this era of innovation. So, dive into the realm of technology-driven facility operations and maintenance, and position yourself as a front-runner in shaping the future of this dynamic field. The considerable benefits and the vital significance of its appropriation in facility operation and maintenance are enhanced efficiency and productivity. Grasping innovation in facility operations leads to a significant boost in productivity and efficiency. Automated systems streamline routine tasks, reducing manual endeavors and minimizing the edge for mistake. From predictive maintenance to real-time checking, technological solutions optimize workflows, guaranteeing facilities work at top execution. Cost-effectiveness and resource optimization. One of the compelling advantages of technology in facility management is its ability to improve cost-effectiveness. Smart sensors, IoT devices, and data analytics empower proactive maintenance, avoiding costly breakdowns. Moreover, the optimization of energy utilization through smart systems contributes to considerable cost savings in the long run. Predictive maintenance for increased reliability. Gone are the days of reactive maintenance. Technology empowers a move towards predictive maintenance strategies, where data-driven insights and analytics estimate potential issues before they escalate. This proactive approach minimizes downtime, prolongs the lifespan of equipment, and ensures continuous facility operations for real-time observing of critical systems. Whether it's HVAC, security, or equipment performance, non-stop data streams enable facility managers with instant insights. This real-time visibility facilitates prompt decision-making, reducing response times and enhancing overall operational control. Sustainable practices and environmental impact. Technology plays a significant part in promoting sustainability in facility management. Smart building systems optimize energy utilization, reduce waste, and contribute to a greener environment. From energy-efficient lighting to eco-friendly HVAC solutions, technology allows facilities to align with environmentally conscious practices.